Hi Shamrocks, this is Mrs. Kolchuk. What I want to cover today is how you can use the Michigan E-Library to find an ebook to borrow. So we're going to begin at the main Catholic Central homepage. So we're at catholicentral.net. From there, you're going to scroll down to the academic tab and then over to where it says learning resources. We're going to make our way to the library homepage where we will get our link to MeL. So we're going to click on Library Resources. And here is the library's homepage. So we're looking for ebooks. So we're going to go to the ebook page here. And then at the top of the screen, there's a link to the Michigan E-Library, which is going to take us to their ebook collection. So you can go ahead and click there. And then we're going to wait for this to load. Okay, so this is their ebook collection. Here you can type in your topic if you don't have a particular book in mind. Like say, for example, I want to look up something dealing with library management. I'm just going to go ahead and select library and click search. And it's going to show me what they have available. So from here, I can scroll down, find what I want. You know, this one looks good, so I can go ahead and click on it, get some more information about the book. I can get a description, decide if it's something I really want. Yes, this looks like something I want to read. So I can do a few different things. I can utilize the option on the left here to download a PDF version, or I could download an EPUB version. Basically, the main difference between these two is an EPUB version looks a little bit better on a mobile device as opposed to the PDF version, but they both have the same content, the same functionality. I'm just going to click on the EPUB version and then wait for it to download here. So here is my book. I can navigate to a certain chapter, whatever I want to look at, or I can just start at the beginning and click on through to read my book. If you guys need to cite this for your works cited page, you can get to a citation right here. Now it doesn't default to the MLA citation style, so you're just going to scroll down till you get to MLA. There you go. So you can copy and paste that into a Word doc or a Google Doc, whatever you'd like to do. If you want to get back to this book and don't want to redo your search over again, you can click on this permalink button, and that's going to get you directly to this book. Just copying and pasting this won't do it. You do need to copy and paste the permalink. You can add this to your Google Drive. However, it's only going to let you add a certain number of pages. So for example, if you only need a chapter, you can just tell it what you need and go ahead and export that right into Google Drive. Okay, another option for you, we go back here, is say you want to do the full download of the book. You're welcome to do this, but it is going to ask you to create an account. It's very simple to do that. You can just go ahead and click there. And then you can continue with Google. And then it's going to ask you to sign in. So that's all you need to do to sign in. And now you're going to be able to download the ebook or borrow it. So you'll have it on your device. Okay, very simple to use, and it's a great resource because it covers a lot of different disciplines, so hopefully you can find an ebook on your topic. If you need any help navigating this, please don't hesitate to come see me or go ahead and send me an email. My email address is on the main library homepage right here. So you can go ahead and send me an email so I can help you out. Good luck.